Bullish spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market examiners accept spell could reach $0 2025. Bearish spell token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Spell token presentation. Spell token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like off since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Xsushi and different Bend, Arch tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating amazing open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate spell token. The task was established by Daniel Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and by and large distinguish themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. In spite of the particular name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to furnish you with a far-reaching value expectation of spell token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of spell token in the environment. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. Nonetheless, Abracadabra is novel in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a kind of liquidity supplier token, as security. These IPKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They create non-stop returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This development assists Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with preferring spell token and wizardry web cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. Client can store the $100,000 worth of USDT into Abracadabra. He can then pick how much gamble he needs to take on. Suppose he mints 90% of his security. In the wake of clicking it, he will get 90,000 MIM. He will be paying a loan fee of 0.8% due to his security decision. He can then trade his MIM for USDT, USDC or DAI, expecting he picked USDT. He can trade MIM for USDT in the Bend MIM3 pool metapool and get 90,000 USDT. Spell token is the stage's local cash in light of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down less normally available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes, with respect to changes on the responsible stage's overhauls. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with typical stakeholding. The more capital they promise, the more noteworthy their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. Spell token current cost. Spell token is right now worth $0. Spell has moved 1.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,256,600. Spell token is right now positioned 338 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $62,751,166 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for spell token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Spell token value forecast 2023. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The spell cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Spell token spell cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SPEL's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. SPEL token value expectation 2026. Assuming SPEL token effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, SPEL has a greatest value worth of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help SPEL needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2029. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. SPEL token value expectation 2030. By 2030, SPEL token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. SPEL token value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme SPEL cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the SPEL token cost today? Today, SPEL token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $62,751,166. Is SPEL token a wise venture? SPEL token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that SPEL is a decent decision of speculation. How high can SPEL token go?